guys, I just finished recording this makeup look and it is my simple 3-step eye look for any occasion. This requires 3 shadows and 3 brushes, and we're just gonna hop right into it. Hope you enjoy and hope you try it out for yourself. In the interest of time today, I did my face makeup, my bronzer, my eyebrows, everything besides my eyes, to really just show how quick the eye portion of this tutorial is. Now this is a very easy eye look and it requires 6 things plus mascara. So we have 3 makeup brushes. You're gonna need just like a flat one. You'll need a medium-sized fluffy brush and also a large fluffy brush like this one. And then you're going to need an eye palette that has a light, very barely shimmery color that will go under your brow, and then a medium brown color and a black. Now I'm using Jenna's Essentials by Clinique. I'm not going to be using this color right here. This is my light shimmery color, this is my matte brown, and this is my matte black. So not using this one. You'll need 3 colors that are similar to this. This is a really nice palette if you do want to just have one thing to work with this look. And then I'm going to be using mascara. I'm going to use Maybelline Total Temptation, which is one of my favorites, and L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black to really get the extra black and dark lashes that I want. Use whatever, again, that you have for mascara that you like. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to do is take the flat brush and your light white shimmery color. I'm going to dip my brush into that color so I have it on the side of the brush right here on this bottom side. And I'm going to start by tapping that light white color right under the brow. This bone right here is the brow bone. Depending on your eye shape, your eye may have a prominent eye bone or one that's a little bit more subtle. Either way, you will get the dimension that we're looking for by adding the light white shimmery color under the brow bone. Also cleans up your brows a little bit and gives your face a little bit of lift. I'm also going to take that light shimmery color and just go in the inner corner here. You'll see it just kind of brightens the eye look a little bit, brings a little touch of lightness to the inner corner to open your eyes a little more. Next, I'm going to take the fluffier of the 2 brushes, so the larger brush, and the matte brown color. I'm going to take that, give it a little tap so we don't have too much product on here. I'm going to start by nestling it into the crease area and going back and forth pretty quickly. And not super precisely, I just want to keep it in that crease area, which you'll see me doing right here. So I'm just going back and forth, kind of doing pushing and circle motions to start creating a little bit of a shadow there. And same thing right here on the other eye. Taking just a little bit more and pushing it on the outer corner, blending it slightly more out there to start to get a little bit more shape in this outer section of the eye. This look requires no eyeliner, so that's why it's really quick, especially for in the morning, or if you just want something that's very easy, you're going out somewhere and you don't want to wear no eye makeup. These colors will also look great on everybody, so it's a very foolproof look. You can wear it for any occasion, whether you're going somewhere super fancy or work or grocery store or whatever. It's just something that looks classic and good. I'm taking black now on the smaller of the 2 fluffy brushes. This brush you'll see is tapered, so it comes to a bit of a point at the top here. That's what you're looking for, because we're going to keep this black color on the outer third of your eyelid. So don't go above the crease with the black. We're simply just adding some depth right out here in the outer corner there, and keeping it very concentrated to that small area of your eye. Looking down into your mirror will also help with this process, so that you're seeing the exact shape that you're creating with this eyeshadow, and you'll know that it's not getting too out of hand. Now we simply reverse the steps one last time. So I'm taking the bigger of the fluffy brushes and going over the black and over this outer area here to make sure it's all blended. And I'm going to take a little bit more of the white light color and go over under the brow bone here to ensure that we didn't blend away too much of the lightness, and a little bit more in the inner corner. And now we just do mascara, and that's literally it. So I'm going to take my Kevyn Aucoin eyelash curlers and just go over my eye. Give my top lashes a little curl. The great thing about this eye look too is you could really wear whatever lip color you want to with this, and it's going to look really great because it's a neutral look. Two options from here. You can leave it like this and just have the top lid be done and have nothing on the bottom lid. That oftentimes keeps you looking a little bit more awake, a little bit more fresh. Or if you want it to be more nighttime appropriate, more smoky, you can take the larger of the two fluffy brushes. This is what had the brown color on it. I'm just going to go right under the eye here and nestle that brush in. And just put a little bit of shadow under the eye here. Kind of flick it up at the end so it connects to the top lid. And then apply a little bit of mascara to the bottom lashes. And there you go. Then you just apply whatever lip color you want. I'm going to do a nude today. Classic. I'm going to use the Sephora Lip Stories collection in tan lines. So it looks like this. It's a paper tube actually. And then it comes up like a little lipstick tube. And then because I don't want it to kind of overpower anything, I will just take my finger and tap over. And that is all, everybody. So this is it. It's a very simple eye look. Like I said, you need basically 7 things. You need a small little eye brush, you need a small blending brush and a larger blending brush. You need 3 colors for the eyes. You need a shimmery white, doesn't matter which one, whatever one you have, a matte brown, and a matte black. This is the Clinique Jones Essentials palette, but you can use whatever you like. And then you need at least 1 mascara. I used 2 today just because that's my preference. And these are both drugstore mascaras. So that is the complete look. Once you do the top lash line, you can leave it at that and keep your eyes looking very open and very fresh, or you can smoke it out slightly, still very work appropriate, still very classic looking, and do a little bit of the brown shadow with the bigger fluffy brush right under the eyes with a little bit of mascara. And finish it off with the lip of your choice. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I think it's very simple, and stick around for more. Please subscribe. Stay tuned. Oh, we have some disco lights going on. Why can't I talk? It's a problem.